Thanks for joining me on another video. My name is Steven, and I'm with Team Grobo. In today's video, we're going to talk about fan leaves. When you have a big harvest, you don't know what to do with them. Well, we're going to harvest some of the chlorophyll from them. Chlorophyll is responsible for photosynthesis in the plant, and apparently it's healthy for humans as well. We're going to juice some leaves, we're going to mix up a chlorophyll-based drink, and then I'm going to drink it. Let's dive in. Why is Julia making me drink this again? Let me check out. There's got to be some health benefits here. It stimulates my immune system. It eliminates fungus in my body, detoxifies my blood, cleans my intestines, gets rid of bad body odors by drinking it. Energizes the body, prevents cancer. Of course, weight loss. I'll try some. All right, let's do it.
These fan leaves come from a blueberry harvest we recently completed. They've been off the plant for a couple hours, but it's best to use them fresh when possible. We borrowed this juicer from another teammate so you can see me get used to its operation and overload the chamber a couple times, dropping leaves. At one point I did have to loosen up the chamber with a chopstick. They were a little too tight, but it was all good in the end. I did pop in a couple buds that were not decarbed, just for taste, not for effect. You think I can taste the blueberry in the strain? I end up adding frozen blueberries, so I guess I kind of cheated in the end anyway.
Okay, we've juiced the cannabis leaves and I threw a popcorn bud in there just to see what effect it has as well. We're gonna put some stuff in the blender for our chlorophyll drink. We've got some mangoes from Peru. We've got some peaches from Greece. And of course, some Canadian blueberries. So let's pitch some of this in, mix it up, give it a drink. It's very scientific. Gotta love those frozen fruits. Yellow and purple. To that, we're going to add our green. Now, we might need a bit of water, but we'll see.
Okay, let's get this smoothie party started. You pop on the lid to protect my favorite shirt from any green splatters and turn the blender on with a speed of 8. We may need some water. Definitely gonna need some water. Water has arrived, and just in time. Splish splash, there goes the water. We can try to blend again. I add the water and blend until we get a smooth consistency going, and remove any of the frozen solid pieces that are left inside. Okay, just about done, and time to taste.
Into our chalice. I'll save some for you, Julia. Needs vodka. It's cold. And it's fruit. Fruit at the beginning, a lot of fruit. And then I just fell down in the freshly mowed grass in my backyard. It's the aftertaste. If you're ever beaten up by a bully and your face pushed into the dirt, not much dirt, much more grass. I hope it's healthy. I really hope it's healthy. Summer's here and the time is right for liking that video, smashing the bell, and subscribing to our channel. Bottoms up. Bring on the health. Oh, God. I gotta stop lying to people. That's pretty grassy.